So, yeah, 2024 Cadillac Escalade. So the switch right here is the problem for the day. All the functions are working except this here. It doesn't go back. So easy hack in order to fix this. You'll have a screw right here. You got a screw that connects right into here. And you also have one in the back. And that'll be the easiest way to actually take this off and access this panel. Then after doing that, you have a screw right here that you'll also need to take off, and the switch will come right out. Yeah, that's how you do it.